Everything's sold.
Okay, this is Mr. Andrew Thompson's bike check. We got some greasy Norco grips. I don't even know what they are, but Norco grips. So We the People Justice. It's got stock We the People Justice tires, stock spokes, hub, frame, braking system. Pedals are a Clate, but they're stock. So everything's stock, but the grips pretty well. Weighs what, like 24, 25 pounds?
Yeah, 24 pounds.
Yeah. And it's a pretty sweet stock seat.
We the people. I broke my fucking leg!
Yeah, well, yeah, it's pretty well. It's We the People, but it's got the salt fucking stem, salt brake lever, salt everything. It's got salt in the Clate parts, and it's We the People bike. So that's Andrew Thompson.
Fuck up, people!